In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your availability using Calendly. Whether you're a busy professional or simply trying to streamline your scheduling, knowing how to block time in Calendly can greatly simplify your day. So, let's get started with the step-by-step guide to make the most of this tool. First, you need to navigate to the Calendly homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left corner of the screen where you'll see the Availability section. This is your go-to spot for managing when you're open or busy, so go ahead and click on that Availability tab. Now, once you're in the Availability section, you should see an option labeled Weekly Hours. The Weekly Hours section is particularly useful because it allows you to set a consistent schedule that can repeat every week. This is where you can specify your preferred working hours, ensuring that your available slots align with when you're actually ready to take meetings. In this section, you have the ability to block specific times when you are not available. For example, if you know you have personal commitments or other meetings, you can easily mark those times as unavailable. Simply find the time slots you need to block and click on them. When blocking off time, look for the small X sign on each time block that you wish to mark as unavailable. Clicking this will effectively remove that time slot from your available hours, ensuring that nobody can book a meeting with you during that period. And good news? It saves automatically. There's no need to worry about manually saving changes or updates as you go along. All your changes are updated in real time. After you've configured your weekly hours and marked off your unavailable times, that's it. You've now simplified your scheduling process and made sure that you won't be booked during times when you're busy or need some personal time. The beauty of Calendly lies in its simplicity and effectiveness in managing your schedule, allowing you to stay organized without any hassle. By following these easy steps, you ensure that your time is better managed, and you avoid any scheduling conflicts. Thank you for watching this guide on how to block time in Calendly. We hope you found the video helpful and that it makes your scheduling a lot smoother. If you have any questions or need more tips on using Calendly, feel free to check out more tutorials or leave your comments below. Happy scheduling, and see you in the next video.